Hello, welcome back to my channel. So, last night I was talking about how I was going to build my PC. Well, I got the parts, but I built it off camera because I also have to fine tune some stuff. But, yeah, I got the new power supply in there and graphics card down there. Let me go ahead. I couldn't get a new board, so I'm using some old stuff. But let's get this out of the way. This is the setup. I got the Titan X in here. It's a blower style card. Then I got a 750 watt power supply, EVGA Supernova 750B2 semi-modular power supply. I got some more add-ons for it that I took off. Like, I don't need Molex or extra SATA power, but I'm running it off of this hard drive right in here. It's on Linux, which wouldn't be bad if it was on like an SSD. I wanted to run Windows, but I couldn't, so I did that because that's the only thing it'll boot off of. But let's turn it on. It's pretty quiet. I gotta swap out this case fan that doesn't work. But Asus, that's the board. It's a stock Asus board from 2014. It's got the AMD A10 6700 with a built-in GPU, but we're using this thing. But yeah, it's on Ubuntu. And I have 12 gigabytes of oh my god. I got 12 gigabytes of DDR3 1300 megahertz. So it's really slow RAM, but it's 12 gigabytes, so it matches the 12 gigabyte graphics card. Still booting. Do another of like its performance and stuff. Anyways, have a nice day. Goodbye.